In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use private mode on Grok AI. If you want your chats handled with extra discretion and kept out of your visible history, private mode makes that easy. I'll show you how to access it and what to expect once it's on, along with a few tips so you can use it confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to grok.com. The site runs best in a current version of Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, so if the interface doesn't look right, a refresh or quick update usually helps. When the home page loads, you'll see the main chat interface and navigation, perfect for getting started. Now look for the private control in the interface and click it. Depending on your screen size, it might appear in the top navigation bar, in a sidebar, or as a toggle near the chat box. One click is all it takes. You should see a clear visual confirmation, often a badge, lock icon, or banner, indicating that private mode is active. If nothing changes right away, give it a second, then try clicking again. Here's what private mode is doing for you. It limits how your conversation is stored and displayed, functioning like an ephemeral session that aims to minimize traces in your account's chat history. It's ideal for sensitive brainstorming, confidential drafts, or anything you don't want to keep long term. That said, even in private mode, it's wise to avoid sharing personal details or any information you wouldn't want online anywhere. Privacy features add protection, but good judgment is your best safeguard. While you're in private mode, expect a streamlined experience focused on the chat itself. Features that rely on saved history may be reduced or unavailable. If you want to keep any part of the conversation, copy the text to your notes before leaving private mode, because ephemeral sessions may not persist once you switch back. When you're done, returning to standard mode is just as simple. Click the same private control to turn it off. A couple of quick troubleshooting notes. If you don't see the private control, try widening your browser window or checking the main menu. Smaller layouts can tuck it away. And if you're on a managed or work device, organization policies might affect what privacy options are available, so your experience could vary. That's all there is to it. Go to the Grok website, click private, confirm it's active, and enjoy a more discreet chat session. Thanks for watching, and use private mode whenever you want extra peace of mind.